Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll look at relu6 function, and what we have here is a tensor that has negative values on this side of 0 and all the positive values on this side. In regular relu, what we would get in the output is that the negative values are converted to zeros. All the positive values stay as is. In case of relu6, what happens is all the values that are less than 0, that is the negative values, they do get converted to zeros, but then the values greater than 6 are converted to 6. So in this example, we have these values 6.1, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of those are converted to 6. So the relu6 sort of ensures that in the output, all the values are between the range of 0 and 6, both included. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.